welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing what I think, 97% sure this will be my last Glossybox. This is for the month of December, and I canceled my subscription and I think this is the last one. It also looks like it has been through the ringer a little bit. So let's see what's inside, shall we? So this is version 3. It is $21 a month for this box, and you are supposed to get a combination of full-sized and deluxe sample sizes. Oh, it's a tin. It's tin. I thought something sounded a little metally in there. Look at how cute that is. So it usually comes in a cardboard pink box. Occasionally you will get a more fancy packaged box, and this one is the first tin box I've ever seen. I've been with Glossybox, I think, for over 2 years. So that's neat, of course, as I've quit my subscription. So that is what the packaging looks like. I tend to keep these because I'm a hoarder. I keep all of the fancy boxes. So I'll definitely add this to my collection. And it'll be handy to store some makeup items in, most likely. Alright, so let's open up this baby. So this is the way the package comes. And the theme this month is Moonlight Glow. And then this will tell us the value of everything we received. Let's get into it. So, what do we have? Something nicely scented in here. Let's pick this because, oh yes. I do love getting these in subscription boxes. Some nice dry shampoo from Batiste, which is my favorite brand. I think it's probably everybody's favorite brand. And this is in the original scent. So this size is good to like put in your purse, and then just, I tend to get very oily on my forehead. So these hairs here, usually just fluff them up in the middle of the day just to remove that excess oil. All right, next up, I think these all go together. So from Vadam Teas, we have got lemon ginger, turmeric chamomile, and turmeric ginger. So the lemon ginger is zesty and warming. The turmeric ginger is an Indian superfood with powerful curcumin. And same with the turmeric chamomile. So it feels like a loose leaf tea. No, it's a tea bag. So we got 3 teas, which is nice. You don't get that very often, so that's good to get. Alright. Oh, we got 2 dry shampoos. Even better. Alright, and then a squeezy tube. Oh, from Elemis. Great brand, one of my favorite skincare brands. This is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer with Kombucha Glow. So I don't think I've tried one of their moisturizers. I have tried their cleansers, their anti-aging skincare, their eye serum. So I am excited to try out this moisturizer. All right, another squeezy tube. Oh, from Rituals. This thing is loaded with good stuff. Like I said, because I've quit. So this is the Rituals, the Ritual of Mehr, M-E-H-R, Loving Body Cream. And I do love getting body creams. I've seen an increase in body creams lately, which is good, especially for winter, because you do get a lot of face moisturizers, but you don't often get body moisturizers. So that will definitely be coming in handy for me. And it smells really good too. And that's a nice size. It is 2.3 fluid ounces or 70 mils. Perfect. All right, and we are on our last thing. So from LA Splash Cosmetics, this is the Moonlight Glow Face Palette. So 4 shades face palette with 2 blushes, a bronzer, and a highlight. That is what the colors look like. It also comes with a nice mirror. I will probably pass this along just because I have a lot of face palettes, and I don't really use much other than a highlight and a blush. I don't usually bronze or contour. This blush is it's not picking up with the camera. It's very intensely pigmented, very pink. This one's more of a like a brown pink, a brownish pink, and then we've got a nice bronzer color and a really nice highlighter color. That's a really nice shade that I would definitely use, but I will pass this along, I think, to someone who might need it more than I do, because I have a lot. So because this, I think, is my last box, the value is probably also going to be really high, like $100 or more. But before we find out the prices, let's pick my favorites. I'm going to go with the Elemis Moisturizer. And then, because I love them, we'll use them, the 2 dry shampoos. And then the Rituals body cream. And then this face palette. And then the teas, which are probably just like an extra item. So, but all in all, it was a good box. So let's see what the value was. And yeah, then we'll really know. It's always good to look through your whole box, because I just found this as well. And it was in the pamphlet. I'm like, ah, what is that? So this is from LaRousse. It is an eyeshadow brush, and I think I have it right here. One moment. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I just got this in my December Boxy Charm. Same brand. I wonder if it's the same brush. Wow. Oh, is this a duplicate? Yes, I think so. LR120. LR120. Okay. So I did just get this in my Boxy Charm, the same brush. But it's an eyeshadow brush, and they never go to waste. So, oh, that's all right. It's just weird to get the same brand and the same brush in 2 different boxes in the same month. So, anyway, back to what were we doing? Yes, we were getting the prices. So that brush was $28. That's expensive. And then I've lost everything now because I got all like flustered. Oh, here. Hi. The LA Splash. This is full sized. Is $34. So that both those items each are more than I paid for the box. The 2-pack of Batiste hair dry shampoo. These are travel sized, and they are $3.99 each. The teas from Badam are an extra treat, and the singles are $1, and you can also buy a box of 30 for $11.99. And then Elemis, where's my Elemis? The Elemis, this is just travel size, $22. My goodness. And then it comes with a mystery product, it says, with no value. And so this must be the Rituals. It says, surprise glossies. To make this month's box a little more fun and special, we've included a surprise mystery product to the Moonlight Glow collection. We hope you love it. I do. And can't wait to see and hear what you think about it. So I don't know what the value is of this. All right, so the total is $94.98 without this. So I'm going to guess it's like $10, $15, $20 because Rituals. So we got our value. I liked everything in the box, of course, because I canceled it. Jay, look at this box that we got this month. It's tin.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
You put your sewing supplies in there.
Oh, yes, all my sewing that I do.
Your needles and such.
Yes, my sewing needles. So yeah, that was the box for the month of December, and I think it's my last one, and now I'm all of a sudden sad. I'll give it a couple months and see how I feel. Also, these boxes are a lot of money when you get more than one a month. So that was my December Glossybox, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate it as always. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can click like down below. You can click here, here, for more videos, and there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Also, if you wouldn't mind subscribing by clicking there, that would be most wonderful. And I hope you have a great day. Happy New Year, too. Yeah, because this is going to be in January when I post it. It came literally on the last day of the month, so I'll probably post this. It's now January, I'm sure. So Happy New Year, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.